Kami sa aming what car? Farm. Little farm ng sayote. Ayan po. Medyo madami-dami na siya. Ito medyo maliit pa. Hindi muna natin kukunin yung hindi pa ganun ka-heavy. This one, meron na dito. And this one too, dami. Carl, don't pick it up first, okay? Just a second. Pakita muna natin yung mga sayote natin. Yan. Yung heavy na, yan ang pwede na nating kunin. Carl, this one, I think, wait, hindi pa gano. Not that one first, please. Thank you. Here. This one, may maliit, pero be careful ka, baka matamaan mo tong isa. Ito ang kukunin mo, okay?
Okay, sorry. You got it?
Kyle, don't touch that one, the small one, because it's gonna be...
Gonna get it.
Yeah, you have to check it. Oh, dandahan. Yeah, you have got the one now. And the other one is here hiding.
You get it?
Slow down, slow down. Okay. And there's one more here, I think. Look.
I can't reach that.
Here. Okay, I'll get it for you. So, meron po tayo malaki dito. Hindi ko siya pinuputol kasi dahil sayang. Look. How many now? You have 3. And then, bigyan natin si Kuya dyan. Marami tayo. Marami pa tayo sa fridge.
Can you go inside?
Just a second, Carl. We're taking some... Marami dito. Ito pa. Pero ito, this is for next week. Yung mga harvesting na yan. Paano na rin kasi? Winter na. This is the last batch na siya. May mga maliliit pa tubo. Ayun. And this one, I think heavy na to. Alright, you have this one. 4. We have 4 now. And then, let's see how it goes here. Kung meron pa sa mga ilalim niya. Kasi sa ilalim siya nagaano. Meron dito, maliit pa. So, we can get it from next week. Weekend. We have 4 anak. Makakagisa na tayo noon. Tapos itong mga to, pwede mo siyang talbusin. Pag nagtinola ka or munggo, masarap yan. Still, we cannot get this one, no? Maliit pa siya. The other one still. Yes, Carl?
Yeah.
Let's see. Maybe that one is next week. Tingnan natin dito. Meron pa rin dito 2. So, meron pa ako mga 6, 7. This one not yet, no? Look at this.
Yes, no.
Marami dito. Kaso, hindi pa siya. Manaba pa siya. Hindi siya namin masyadong hinahawakan kasi pag the more mo siya hawakan, the more siya ano. Then, look at that, Carl. My lemon together with...
Maybe these ones down here?
is growing
Maybe
now. Ito po yung lemon ko. Nag-grow na rin. No. No, not yet. No. It's still small. We have this one. Maybe for another 2 to 3 days, I think. This one, yeah, can we go inside? Ito po yung look ng akin sayote farm. Little farm. Inside na si Carl. We get inside. We have lemon too. Ito yung lemon ko na naanuhan na ng sayote. Pero palagas na rin yung sayote. Hindi ko na masyado siya inano. Ito, pag malapit na siyang mamatay, pag mag-winter na. So, let's see if there's something here na nagtatago. Look at that. Look, there's a lot.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, there's one. Look.
You
Wait,
get that?
tanggalin natin. Carl, yung ice mo.
No, I think I can reach
Wait.
it.
I-open natin. Kyle. No. Yung ice mo. Don't touch siya. Don't touch it. I will do it first. Tapos, yung ice mo baka matamaan. So, dito natin siya gagalawin. Itatago lang kasi sila minsan. Pagka old na. Look, a lot oh. Marami doon.
I can grab that.
Gilid. Maybe.
Me, yes, I can get it.
Wait na, baka, ay, yan lang. Yan lang yung medyo mabigat. Yan. Yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. I think there's more. Look. Look, tinan mo yung isa na yan, anak. Ayan.
What's it?
Ayan. Yung nasa tuktok na yan. Yung nasa dulo.
I can try to reach it.
Yeah. Put it down first. Dun lang sa dulo, ha? Ayan yung pinakamabigat eh. Kasi the rest, maliit pa.
I'm touching it.
Yeah, push it. Dandahan. Yes, got. You get it? Okay. This one, I think it's enough. One?
Which one?
Check mo muna, baka yun ka, pwede pa o maliit pa.
It's too
Try
small.
this one. Look. That one. Check, get it.
Which one?
This one. Tingnan mo muna kung ano. Oo, maliit pa. Maliit pa? I think it's enough. Oh, here, there's more. In the, here. Kasi minsan nagtatago lang sila dun sa, there's more.
Uy.
Look, here. Wait na. Look, it's here. It's too big.
How much we got?
Talagang tutungo marami pa dito.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 8. That's too small, Mom.
Hindi, big na to.
You say that's too small.
Look, may panggisa na kami. Makakatipid kami ng, alam niyo ba, sayote, mahal din pagka hindi siya tag sayote. So, magki-craving kayo sa sayote, panggisa, pang tinola. So, you save a lot for this one sa isang meal together. Pag sa lunch lang, $30 na. So, pork and ano na yun. So, mabibigyan natin to sa kuya, sa mga friends na gusto yan at kumakain yan. We have a lot. No. We have this one.
You have 8.
How many?
8.
You have 8. Oh my God, that's a lot. So, ito po, hayaan muna namin yung iba.
Oh, we have 9.
Oh, 9. Yeah, it's good. Hayaan muna natin to. Ito mga ganito, yan yung sinasabi ko. Pwede nyong italbos yan sa tinola at saka sa munggo. But ang dami na eh. Ito kasi manita pa. Pwede pa siyang lumaki. Ito rin mga 3 days pa to. Actually marami na siya. Heavy na din this one. Pero hayaan lang muna natin. Kasi tutubo pa siya. Ito talaga malalaki na. Pwede na siyang i-harvest. I think there's more here. Nag-hide lang sila. Si Papa nga akala ko hindi wala na makukuha nun eh. Nag-hide lang pala dyan sa ano. Ito, medyo maliit pa. 2 to 3 days. 2 days lang yan. Marami na. So at least nagbunga siya. Actually hindi ko alam na bubunga pa to dahil namatay nga siya for how many months bago summer kasi nasagi ni Marlon yung puno na niya, yung pinakapunuan. So kala ko nagtampo. Ayun, di na nagbunga for how many months. Tapos yun, nung hinayaan lang namin kasi maabot na yung dahon niya dun sa likod, baka magalit yung kapitbahay namin. So sabi naman ng kapitbahay, it's okay kasi nakain naman din daw sila nito. There's one more here na mabigat. Yes, we have 10 bigger one now. Last one, Carl. Look at that. Meron pa isa eh. Kasi hindi ko abot. Wait na. Ayun no. Hindi ko siya abot. Kyle, makagakuha mo ba yun?
What?
How many you have na? God,
That'd
God.
be 11.
Hugasan natin to kasi na andun sa pagbunot. Tinan mo,
Yes,
sariwang
11.
sariwa. You got 11. So, ito pong mga to. Sa ano na, next na. Yung lemon ko tumubo na kasi natakpan nitong aking sayote. Ito, ang dami niya, oh. Pero maliliit pa siya. 2 more days pa yan. So it's good na may panggisa tayo, tinola. Good job, Carl. Yeah, it's good. We have that one, okay?
Yeah.
Let's go. Bye for now.